Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast, and we have a cold front that passed yesterday. Not much of a cold front though. We have warmer weather returning for today, warmer weather continuing tomorrow, and then that another front. You can see the beginnings of that front along the international border back west. That will roll through Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and the result of that front, as we've been saying, will spark a little bit of light snow along the coast. But again, unless you are, and again, this does include some folks watching this video, so, we got to talk about it. However, generally speaking, the area I am circling is really the area of concern here, okay? It's this area. It's along the coast, south of Boston, near Providence, south of Hartford, near New York City, near Trenton, near Philly, near Wilmington, near Baltimore, southward. Inland, not much, because the front's going to pass and the stuff is going to follow that front. Same thing with parts of the Lehigh Valley, northern New Jersey, interior southern New England. You'll see what I mean. It's going to be kind of moving southward as it moves through. So let's go through all of this and kind of talk about it. And again, I urge you to use caution with snow maps and all that stuff, and I'll tell you why that is right now. So to start, let's take a look. Well, we'll talk about precip through today and into Saturday. So you see through today, not much, but tonight, as that front approaches, temperatures tonight are going to be very mild for early February. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s overnight tonight. Somebody might even stay near 50 far south. That is very impressive for this time of the year. And the result will be a few showers inland, a few rain and snow showers in the highest of elevations. But you'll notice into Saturday morning, as the front rolls through, there it is. There's the front right here. Through the afternoon, could have a few snow squalls far inland. As this front rolls through, reduced visibility, briefly gusty wind. Think about it as a winter snowstorm, right? So that's possible through the afternoon on Saturday. We'll call it from central PA, the capital district of New York, the Berkshires, whites and greens, and into Maine. Nothing to the south. So total precip between now and Saturday evening looks like this. Most of that is inland. And as we know, the higher elevations on this model are overdone. Okay. So let's pause. Saturday evening, about 7, 8 o'clock. Temperatures right here. There's your front, right? Your front is basically from Berkeley Springs, West Virginia, to Allentown, to Hartford, to Boston. North of there, temps are plummeting. Teens already in the interior. Along the coast, it's still near 50. So as that front moves south, that's very important because you notice by about midnight or so, that's when precip's going to break out far south. And you notice temperatures are not that cold. So first of all, not only did we have 60s during the day on Saturday, temperatures, even when the precip starts, will be marginally cold enough for snow. So let's show you the radar around this time, 1 a.m. Sunday morning. There's your precip breaking out. Might even start as a little rain in southern areas. However, as the cold continues to drive southward, that's when the precip starts to develop. And see here by 6 a.m., you got a period of snow. Again, we tried to mention it at the top, really from south of Allentown, south of Hartford, south of Boston. That is the area of concern here. This is valid around 9 a.m. on Sunday morning. And through the morning, that snow will slowly but surely press to the south. And this model has snow on the Jersey Shore through about 7 p.m. before it ends. Other models much faster than that. Here's another example here. Looking at the high-resolution Canadian model, you see that precip breakout shortly before sunrise on Sunday morning, continues through the morning, but then by midday, everything's winding down. So the NAM's a little bit more aggressive, so the precip amounts are obviously higher. I'm not sure I buy that. So when you look at a solution like the high-resolution Canadian, here's the amounts. Not a lot, but still enough to cause some concerns. 1/10 to 2/10 of precipitation. You convert that to snow, it's 1 to 2 inches of snow. Now, when you take into account initially here, we're going to have temperatures above freezing. The 2-inch snowfall amounts are probably a little bit aggressive on pavement especially, but that doesn't mean we won't have to take action here. We're likely going to need to salt and maybe even push snow along the Jersey Shore here. And you see that continues into southern New England, a coating to 1 inch of snow possible here overnight, Saturday night into the first half of Sunday. You look at the other models, they're pretty similar. The European, same idea. Maybe a quarter of an inch of liquid on the Jersey Shore. That would be maybe 2 inches of snow. Maybe an inch in Philly, inch in Trenton, inch in New York, inch in coastal Connecticut, less than an inch inland. GFS, even less impressive. A coating, southern New England, a coating in New York, a coating in Philly, an inch or two in South Jersey. So there's still some uncertainty here exactly with where the steady snow sets up and where that gradient sets up on the northern edge. Regardless, this is not a big event. However, what I will add is that this storm will have a refreeze risk on Sunday afternoon. Okay, that's the other thing just to mention here. You see temperatures midday on Sunday after the snow ends recover back into the mid-30s, and then you watch overnight Sunday night, we're back down into the teens. So a little bit of light snow Saturday night into Sunday morning. Most of the day Sunday is fine, and then we refreeze whatever's lingering Sunday evening. Okay, so let's take a quick peek at next week. And it's not a big deal. I think most of the week is dry. Tuesday, a few snow showers, starts off the week cold. Wednesday's dry, but look what happens towards that Thursday, Friday time frame. We get that warm storm in here for President's Day weekend. Obviously, that's not ideal in the north for skiing, but it is something we are watching for. You look at the most recent European model here. Let me pull up that run for you just so you can get an idea. And you'll notice as we head towards that late week time frame, same exact thing. Rain Thursday night, Friday, colder for the weekend, which I guess is a good thing. But again, could be a decent amount of rainfall during this period, anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half. So obviously that is something we need to prepare for. Coupled with snowpack, that could cause some localized flooding, but plenty of time to worry about that as we get closer. Let's take care of this light snow event Saturday night into Sunday first. So that's what we got for you today. Have a great weekend, and we'll be back Sunday with more information.